Now it's time for us to look at some prior projects I've had for service learning projects. By the way, if you're a graduate student or a student seeking senior permission, your format won't look like this, as we won't be able to showcase or share our projects live as these submissions did. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you with a few links to past service learning projects. And I want you to look at them. They all may not provide as much information as you may need. So just choose two of these past links or ideas just to kind of get a gist of what they were moving towards with their service learning projects. For two of these, I want you to summarize what they appeared to do or what were they hoping to accomplish. And then I want you to dig a little bit deeper to think about how could you use this project in your own work? How would you use this kind of idea or understanding to influence something you might do in your own classroom? So here are the links. Again, I believe they provide enough information that you can kind of get a general gist of what they wish to do. Follow along and submit information in your digital journal. And you might have to access these by going into out of this video and into your student hard copy slides.